Today I'm working on a steering column I pulled out of a 1978 Chevy Caprice using the steering wheel puller kit and the lock plate remover. I bought it from Harbor Freight. This size is a motherfucking 13, and then to tighten the black bolts, or I think it is a 13 also, 13 or ½ inch, and then I used the lock plate, twisted it all the way down, and there's a ring right here. It actually sits right there. You twist it and the lock plate pushes this down and you'll get access to this. You try using snap ring pliers, it won't work. What I did, I just took a knife. Hold on. Sorry, my recording sucks. It's with a phone. I just took a knife and pried between the snap ring right there in the grooves and turned it a little bit. Turned it like that to open it. And then as I was using two hands as it was opened, I took a flathead screwdriver, and I pushed it up, and it came off all the way like that. So let's see what it holds. Hold on, I'm gonna put it down real quick. Alright, got it, the lock plate tool off. Sliding the snap ring up. And it should pop up. Oh, there we go. This piece right here is for the airbag. This is the lock plate. The spring. If you're replacing the turn signal switch, you don't actually have to take it all the way out of the car. You can do it inside the car, but the turn signal shit is located down here at the base. Here, I'll show you on my car. I'm just using this for parts. I'm actually really just trying to get this piece right here because that's what's broken in mine. And I'm using this as a test fit and a project to try to make two columns out of one. But take that. The turn signal switch is you take the trim off and it's located like right there. It's usually held up like that, and then this plugs in. I was having trouble with my turn signal. This red wire right here, they're conjoined, and it goes to the tail lights. Well, when I was turning left, I would hit the turn signal switch and it would fucking flash hazards in the back, but in the front it would fucking flash regular. And then turn right, the back worked right, but the left didn't. I'm trying to replace this piece right here, and then I got to replace the ignition cylinder, and it's got that in it. So I'm gonna use that and see how I can fix it. There's my there's my screwdriver. Oh shit. This is the These 3 screws hold in the turn signal switch. I ordered a new turn signal switch off of Rock Auto. It was like 13 bucks. Everywhere else wanted like fucking 20, 30 bucks. But where Rock Auto gets you is when you buy a part, it'll be like, it's all the same shit. But just a price difference. There's the turn signal switch. And hold on. If you're pulling it out, you're just gonna try to slide this up the column. I might have to take this bracket off. Let's see. Yeah. I wish I had wire cutters. Probably fucking 13. Yeah, but these... Fuck. Fucking 40-year-old car. There we go. I got them loose. And then you just slide it up. Hold on. I'm putting you down again. There, got this out. You gotta slide, you'll tilt the column to where it's straight, and then once you get it up to this point, you're gonna you're gonna cock it again. Here's the ignition cylinder. There's a screw that goes right there that holds the little thing in, the ignition cylinder in. You'll pop your new one in, put the little bolt down or whatever that holds it, and that's what turns the ignition. Now I'm removing these 3 bolts and see if... I'm hoping this is just one piece right here that that's removable. Oh, there's the 3 little bolts he was talking. In a earlier video, in a video I seen, if you got like looseness, There's 2 bolts down there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna take all of this apart. This is pretty much just I really just bought this steering column for that part right there. But 3 screws, taking those out and see if this will slide up. Yep. Oh well. But then there's a bolt right there. And let me see where the other one is. One right down there. I don't know what size it is, but it looks like a little 6-point. But that's the steering column. Now let's see if this wonder if I could just tap it out, because that's all I really need. I'm gonna try hitting it with a chisel punch that I have. I'm gonna just try tapping it out and see what it does. And it came out. Just slightly tapped it out. I'll slide it over. And wow, got that piece to fix my column. Fuck yeah. And then this is for the turn signal switch. So I need this piece and this piece, and this piece I'm keeping. These 3 pieces is what I bought this column for. So the turn signal lever will work. Put these in the car. But here's the new turn signal switch. Right there. See, when you're buying shit from Rock Auto, like it'll have a bunch of different part numbers, and they try to confuse you. What I did, I took pictures of the wiring on this one, and lo and behold, all of the ones on Rock Auto and Amazon and AutoZone are the same color wires, just a different price. Some have cornering lights, some don't. That's the only difference. But when you're buying it, just check all your wires and make sure they're the same color, and then go buy it. It's a cheap, simple, easy fix. But I'll be putting the ignition cylinder in tomorrow, along with the turn signal switch and the turn signal lever. Wow! See? Goes right in. Fuck yeah. Fucking awesome, dude. Pretty soon I'll have a fucking working column tomorrow, hopefully. So be on the lookout for that video. Get all my parts put in the car so I can just come in and do it tomorrow. Yeah, trunk's a mess. I got a bunch of shit back here. But that is what I will be doing tomorrow, guys. But it was a quick, easy, simple teardown video. Just pretty much of what I'm finna be doing. What the fuck that go to? Oh. And hopefully it all goes well. But I don't know. This car has been kind of a headache for me, but in the end, I hope it all turns out good. But got an extra column if I need it for parts or anything else. But thank you for watching, guys. Just a quick tear down video of a column. So I was tearing it down. I was like, man, I might as well make a video to it. And